I'm gonna put mommy in the doghouse, huh?
Do that again. Do it again. Do it.
Put mommy in the doghouse. Who is that?
See it. Come on.
Who is that over there? That's mommy.
Do what you were doing.
Mommy's going to the doghouse, isn't she?
Put your head down by her.
We gotta put mommy in the doghouse, huh?
Put your head down by her face. Do it and say it.
Are we gonna put her in the doghouse?
And
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
you would look so funny because your shoulders were like scrunched to get you look so big, and your face was just like.
You're putting mommy in the doghouse. Is mommy gonna go in the doghouse? Huh? Is that what we gonna do?
Do it again.
In the doghouse? What is so funny? There's something wrong with that. You done put your mom with go crazy. Go crazy. She's crazy. Is that crazy lady over there or what?
I didn't
Crazy lady over there or what? Oh yeah. It's a rough life being a baby, isn't it? It's a rough life, huh? Sure is. Sure is.